All right, hi students. So we are here on lesson 1, and lesson 1 is all about looking at biodome files. So I'm going to give you some information. We're going to get some files today to look for evidence to support the chapter 1 question. And the chapter 1 question was, why aren't there enough energy storage molecules inside of this biodome? You've already answered this based on your own thoughts, but now you're going to look for evidence in some files that I'm going to give you. But before that, make sure that you've taken notes and created notes. As you can see here, these are the key concepts that you should have your notes for, and we're going to come back to this in a later lesson, okay? But let's move over. So this is going to be what you're going to be answering. This document that you have here is the document that you will be answering the chapter 1 question. And notice that I put sentence stems already there for you, okay? So those sentence stems can definitely help you, but it's not about rushing through this. I want you to take your time today. And as you're taking your time, you're gonna find evidence from 5 different files that we received from the researchers from the biodome. Okay, and let me show you where those are. So you do have a link, and that link is gonna be in Amplify. Okay, so when you look here, I'm showing you an example. Okay, there are the different files. Okay, you see file 1 is news stories, file 2 is Econaut biographies and job assignments, file 3 is a list of recommended organisms, file 4 is biodome water systems, and file 5 is Goat Herd Journal. So what you're gonna do today is you're gonna find a partner first. Okay, and then with that partner, you are going to divide up the files. So file 1 and 2 will be partner 1, file 3, 4, and 5 will be partner 2. Okay, and then you're going to read through these files and look for pieces of evidence to help you answer the question. When you find a piece of evidence, I want you to annotate it with why it's important, annotate it with green, okay, as an example of evidence. So annotate it, okay? By the way, you also have this as a paper copy. Okay, so if you go into Google Classroom, you will see this as a paper copy with all the files, and you can, Google Docs version, you can use the Google Docs version to make your annotations as well, okay? Final thing, okay? This document, okay, is going to be the last on the Google Doc. It's the very last pages. So in the last pages, this is what you need to submit. So be sure that you do, okay? All right. Great. Good luck to you finding evidence to support this. Don't forget to make sure you completed your notes as well. Okay, great.